from a beautiful city called Lyon in France. So I'm going to today talk to you about it. Now this is, you see Carrefour written there? So this is a big chain in France, a retail chain, which actually takes care of the food, the different things. The door opens automatically, and we are inside now. Rayon is a section where you get different things. So I'm going to take you to different things, different rayon, and then you have all these things. A lot of these things are made of cheese. There's a cheese inside. On the top of the pizza, there is a white cheese. So basically, the cheese is very important here in France. They eat a lot of salads. So these come in the green pouches, which you see here. People pick them up and they put them in their food, and they eat. This is a section of seafood. So seafood is very big here. The Mediterranean is just about 250 kilometers away from here. And crevette is called the prawn. This section is for milk. So in France, you don't have a milkman coming to your house. Actually, you buy your milk to the section which is called bio, and you have bio products. So in France, of late, there has been a movement to eat healthy food and to have bio food, which is healthy and natural for you, with less of all those preservatives. Here you find yogurt. So yogurt nature, say what you call dahi in India. The fresh fruits which are there for the season. Then you have you might be knowing what is this, you find it in hills in India. See this shop, it is saying Pompe Funèbre du Rhône. Now what is this? Now see, these are souvenirs. Father goes for a haircut. So a haircut here, it's forfait femme. So forfait femme means for women. So a shampoo, coupe means to cut, and brush is brushing. So all this takes 20 euros. So forfait is charges in French. And homme and femme is male, female. I'm going to show you something which usually you do not find in India. But this one, can you tell me, can you guess what is this? Okay, I'll show you something.
Dustbin.
Yes. What do we throw in this dustbin? Like
A wine bottle.
yes,
Bottles.
it says en verre. That means anything that has to be with glass has to be thrown here. You to the in front of the building, and on the top, can you see a clock
Yes,
on the
sir.
top? So that is called horloge. So every mairie has a horloge on the top, and it's a big building, as you can see. And in this big building, you have 3 flags. So if you see those 3 flags, the first flag is of the European Union, because France is a part of European Union. And then the middle one is the French flag, and the third one on the right hand side is the flag of the mairie, which means this region mairie. So this Lyon has 8 mairies, which means 8 districts are there. Each district has a mairie, and each district will have a flag like this. So mairie has a swimming pool, it has a theater, it has a lot of cultural activities, and also mairie is a central point to the French life. So important that if you want to marry, before doing the function, before calling over friends and families, you have to come here, register your marriage, and then you will do the function or whatever you do. In India, it's opposite. We first marry and then we register our marriage. This lady name is Mariam, which is a French icon, and she has a gun. So she has a big gun on her hand, and and what else? A chain. So which means that a war actually changes humanity, and it has and they have a gun and it kills people. For whom this thing is made here, it says "Au mort de la libération." That means to the people who died in the liberation. And you across the road to this pharmacy. So you see this pharmacy. This is a medical store. So medical store actually. In France, there is a very good health system. So what happens is that doctors that we have here and the pharmacy are linked. And like for example, if I want to buy a aspirin or I want to buy some medicine or something from here, they don't take money from me. Like it's free, it's obligatory. So everything will come from the government here. Now this is a bus stop. So the bus has just come. The bus is C26, and if you see on the top of the bus, the Grange Blanche is written. Grange Blanche is the final destination. This is not Grange Blanche. Grange Blanche is the final destination. So you have this bus system, which is very good here. And what happens is that you can time. Like for example, before that what time it will come, and it comes at the right time. And for that, every kind of a bus stop has a board, something like this. This is an electronic board, and this electronic board actually tells you what time the next bus will come and the second bus will come. How it is opening. This guy is opening it, and this is used by kids, of small kids, and they come here. After some time, you will find a lot of kids taking this. So. And this is McDonald's. And one more thing, here people use a lot of bicycles. So you see a lot of bicycles here, and you have McDonald's. After US, McDonald's has the maximum number of chain in France. So McDonald's is everywhere. What would you like to ask?
Which city is it?
This is the city of Lyon in France.
To have pets in Lyon.
It's normal to have pets. They have a lot of, every other house has pets.
So in the France, do the people do the hospitals mostly work like the private ones or the public hospitals?
Here the health system and the education system is taken care by government. So everything is controlled by government. Although we have private hospitals here, but then those private hospitals, the people don't have to pay.
Yes, communicate with other person.
Okay. Bonjour. Yes, you can. Bonjour, monsieur. Ce sont mes élèves de l'Inde. Ils voudraient dire bonjour à toi. Bonjour. He's saying bonjour to you. Can you say bonjour to him?
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Au revoir. Ciao.